Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to review what I learned about syntax, which is one of the core fields in linguistics. I'll explain the material using the provided guideline, add some extra reference, and also connect theory with simple examples so it's easy to understand. First is material identification. The main topic taught in this material is syntax, which is a subfield in linguistics that focuses on how words are arranged and combined to form grammatical phrases, clauses, and sentences. If we learn syntax, we will understand sentence structure in a scientific way, recognize different phrases types like noun phrases, verb phrases, adjective phrases, etc. To accurately analyze and produce meaningful sentences, to improve speaking, writing, reading comprehension, and language teaching skills. Second is concept and theory. The important theories and concepts introduced include: what is syntax really about? Syntax is not the same as vocabulary or meaning. That belongs to semantics. Syntax deals with structure, order, and rules, while semantics deals with meaning. I have an example. The dog bites the man, and the man bites the dog. Both sentences are grammatically correct, but the meaning changes. Syntax care about form. Semantics care about interpretation. And then the key terms to remember. First is phrase. Phrase is the group of words without both subject and verb. Second is clause. Clause is the group of words with subject and verb. And then sentence is a complete idea with minimum subject and verb. And then noun phrases, verb phrases, prepositional phrases, adjective phrases, and adverb phrases are different phrases categories based on the head word. And then clause types. There's independent clause. It can stand alone, and dependent clause. It cannot stand alone. Next is tree diagrams and bracketing. Tree diagrams are visual tools used to represent the hierarchy of sentences structure, helping us see which word belongs to which phrases and how phrases function together. Third part is for example and application. The example from class is: the student studies English at university. Here, the student is noun phrases and studies English at the university is verb phrases. These words are broken down again into at the university. At the university is a prepositional phrases. And I think the easiest example to understand is: she likes coffee. This is simple because it clearly contains subject, which is she, and verb, which is likes. And for my own additional example is: the hungry cat is sleeping peacefully under the table. The hungry cat is noun phrases, and is sleeping peacefully is verb phrases, and then under the table is prepositional phrases. Fourth is connection between topics. Although syntax specifically studies structure, it connects smoothly to other linguistic areas. Morphology. The connection to morphology is words must be grammatically correct before forming phrases. And connection to phonology is intonation can mark sentence type. And I have difficulties and challenges. Some parts that can be difficult include distinguishing phrases from clauses because both consist of more than one word. And second, understanding phrases heads, especially when words appear long, and then reading or creating tree diagrams because it requires attention to hierarchy and rules, not just word order. Sixth part is conclusion and personal understanding. From this material, I learned that syntax is a systematic way to study sentence structure, not just memorizing grammar rules. The most important insight is that every sentence has a hidden structure, and analyzing it helps us understand how language works in the brain, not only how it appears on paper. This knowledge can be applied in academic writing, language teaching, translation and interpreting, editing and proofreading. And the last part is suggestion for improvement. For myself, I should review more by practicing tree diagram construction using sentence sample from song, movies, or news article. Consistency is the key.